Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do some detail lines on the Shiny Gundam helmet. We're just going to add some simple panel lines in the little grooves throughout the different spots. Don't worry, I still got to weld this on here, but I'm going to just do the black detail lines in there to give it more definition. So let's get to working on a detail. Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Shiny Gundam Helmet Build Series Part 3. We're getting to the end. The helmet has been fully painted. All the detail lines have been added. So all I'm going to do now is add a clear coat on there. It is this 2K clear coating spray that will be linked in the description below. So we're going to go ahead and start spraying this with clear coat. And also, when you're doing this clear coat, make sure you're outside and well ventilated area, and also make sure you're wearing a respirator, because this is very dangerous stuff that's going on here.